Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashim. Training video. I got weighted pull is row medley. The details and the numbers are all up on the screen. This is my relative max with 70 pounds added to my body for a heavy single. That's why it's a relative max. What I want to get to is the fact that this workout was extremely exhausting. It was really difficult, and what I've realized is that if I have to do volume work, I would much rather do volume work for pull-ups on a day that is not the day after deadlifts. The day after deadlifts, if I have to do weighted pull-ups, doing them really heavy for a heavy single or maybe a double, that's awesome and that works fine. In fact, it's really good. But to do this stuff for volume work is absolutely crazy. I couldn't beat the last week's numbers, and I sort of messed up at the end because for my last set, and you guys will see that this is set number 2. For set number 4 with 45 pounds added to me, you guys will see that I made a big mistake. I took a gamble and it didn't work in my favor. I lost. I thought that just so that I could add one more rep to last week's total of 20 reps, I would do. I needed 6 reps in my last set. So I thought that let me do 3 and 3 instead of 6 straight. But I did 3, and then because my palms were hurting and from all the deadlifts, I don't want to make deadlifts out to be the bad guy. I love deadlifts. So fuck everything else. But however, because of deadlifts, my palms are extremely sore, sensitive, and I felt a lot of pain. So when I tried to use straps for the last 3 reps that I thought I would do, it didn't work in my favor. The straps kept slipping, and I wasn't able to get a firm grip on the bar. So that failed, as you guys can see. That was not a complete rep. But hey, I'm counting it for now because it would have been fine if I'd just done 5 reps straight and forgotten about trying to be ambitious and taking a gamble. But hey, this is how you learn. This is a body weight set for 15 reps. It was pretty brutal, mostly because 15 reps is a lot. I hate doing rep work, and there used to be a time when I could do 20 reps. I think once in my entire life I've done 20 reps on weighted pull-ups straight. However, that's not gonna happen again. I excuse my dog for barking. If you guys heard that, he's pretty excited right now. As I was saying, for weighted pull-ups and for pull-ups in general, I think I need a gap between this day and deadlift day if I'm gonna do volume work. I just shouldn't really care. Who cares about volume work? The meat and potatoes is in the heavy lifting, right? Alright, so this is Eric Troy's row medley. I got 4 rows. They're arranged from most technical, least weight to least technical, most weight. So barbell rows surprisingly comes right in the beginning. This is an awesome exercise. You got cable rows at the end. In the middle you got face pulls, and then before face pulls you got high to low cable rows. I never knew high to low cable rows existed. There's also low to high cable rows, which I'm going to be attempting whenever it is that I switch these exercises up. But I love this row medley. I'm doing it at least once a week, sometimes maybe twice. It's helping my back get strong, and I need a strong back. I'm not going to be able to deadlift more, and I'm going to be moving to heavy singles soon, so I need my back to be in tip-top condition. Okay, this is heavy cable rows. Oh, sorry, not heavy cable rows. This is high to low cable rows. Heavy cable rows comes at the end. You know, there used to be a point when I used to ask Eric and write to him and say that, Eric, I need to grow my traps. I want to have a bigger back. What should I do? Is there some trick? And Eric responded saying that, Ashim, there are a bunch of exercises that you're doing. You're just not doing them in the way that you should, and that is why you're not getting that big back that you want. Because what I've realized is in the last year, I have gained more muscle than I have in all these 9 years of me lifting, of which 7 years I've been under Eric's wing. So this is I'm still under Eric's wing. It's just that this last year has been the most productive, I think, for me, because I've changed a lot. I've changed a lot of things in my life, to like with my food and stuff like that. But speaking of which, my diet has gone down the drain recently, and this is for those of you who follow who have been following my progress for a while will know that I oscillate between following a good diet and a bad diet. Although regardless of whichever I am doing, I always have a very high protein intake. Anyway, that's all that I have to say for now. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I really appreciate your love and support, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.